This is a quick unboxing and first impressions of a Samtian 165 centimeter, 65-inch tall aluminium tripod from Amazon. £45 delivered, which isn't bad. We'll soon see what the quality's like. I think if you want a really good one, you got to pay more than £45. But let's have a look. We'll open it up. Right, well, it says professional photographic equipment, so could be onto a winner. Box looks good condition, good quality, but then it's only a cardboard box. Comes in a carry case. Doesn't look bad either. Not luxury quality by any means, but I'm not looking for a carry case, I'm looking for a tripod. Instructions: Allen key, don't eat silicone gel, mobile phone holder clip, same as the one I got. Alright, it's all aluminium construction. Feels very robust. As I say, it's first impressions. Well, we'll move to a slightly bigger area and see if we can see what that's like when it's fully erected. Well, first impressions of this tripod base for a camera is very good. Very happy so far. Everything appears to be well made, largely out of metal, including these knobs. Knobs and the head, all metal. Fully adjustable 360-degree ball head, quick release camera mount if you want it. It's silky smooth. The joints have had a grease put in between them, so when you do move it, there's no jerkiness, no quick movements. It really is tidy. So I say this is only a first impressions video of the 65-inch high tripod, but so far those impressions are very good. I'll leave a link in the description to Amazon. That's where I say I've bought it from, in case you guys want to go and have a look. But yeah, for £45, not bad at all. I'll do a follow-up video after I've used this for a few weeks just to see if there's any niggles with it, but so far I'm very happy.